going to Ginger Beer Factory today.
Bundaberg Ginger Beer Factory. We just arrived from our campsite. Well, that's Bundaberg rum. We went there yesterday. So we're actually going to go to the ginger beer side of it. We thought this was the one that we're supposed to be booking because it's just non-alcoholic and kids friendly, let's say. Whereas the rum, which is the hat that she's wearing, is distillery. It's sort of like
Alcohol.
plus 18 alcohol. But it's good if did you learn anything from yesterday?
No, because I was falling asleep and I was bored.
So hopefully this one here much better for the kids. I suppose you have tasted the ginger beer as well.
Yes, it's delicious.
Delicious.
You guys gotta taste it.
So we're at the car park at the moment. We're just parking at the moment, and we'll see what it looks like.
Looks like a giant barrel.
So that's a half a barrel building. So we got 1 o'clock tour. At the moment it's 12:50. So we are gonna go to the factory, I guess.
So the Bundaberg rum is the polar bear thingy.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go show
and
them
then
that.
it's gonna be a barrel.
A barrel. So two different I guess drinks.
Thingies.
Two different activities. So we're gonna start heading all the way out there now. Okay, that's the half a barrel building. We're gonna go towards it now.
Bop, bop, bop. It says no entry there, so we're gonna go on the other side, I think.
So we can't go that side. We're gonna go to the front. It is hot today.
Ooh, that's pretty. No idea what that is.
One day we'll have one of these in our front house. One day. A giant barrel. It looked like an alcoholic barrel, but it's not.
It says
Bundaberg barrel.
barrel. So that's the jar of the ginger beer.
Yeah. They even, I guess, that's pretty cool. There's the water in front of it. Hey, that's where we're going. Bundaberg barrel. So there is, excuse me, mini can.
Ooh, passion
Gift
fruit.
pack. Yeah, there's a few different versions. So we go around.
We just walk around first, and then we'll have.
Is this it?
Yeah. Inside there's something in there.
Okay.
Don't lose your thing. If you lose it,
Yeah, we'll have 6.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll take 6 for adults.
Boo. Bah. Ooh.
So
I'm
the-
choosing the flavors
Yeah.
because those two are all so easy.
So the original is this one that we keep on drinking at home,
Yes.
and we'll be able to get a few different versions
Okay,
today.
let's see. I am probably gonna choose this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have tropical mango, pineapple. I'm pretty sure there's pineapple. Maybe grape. No, that's no cream. Blood orange. This one.
I want to have this
And-
one, this one.
Yeah. Okay, we'll choose it later. I'm bored.
We'll choose it later.
Yeah. Consider the
Okay.
coconut.
Oh, look at that. Check it out. This is what it looked like.
We're gonna taste all those.
We're going to taste a little bit of those.
Okay. What's
Forget
this?
that. That's okay.
What's
That's
this thing?
That's all right. No, it's okay.
This
It's
is
okay.
where we are. Dada.
That's all right. So that we should have. No, okay, can you? I don't think you can. I don't think you should, Aiden. Yeah.
So we are here. This is the factory.
So Bundaberg, that's where we are, and it's apparently distributed to all of those countries.
That's pretty. Exporting to 67 countries around the world.
Wow. Aiden, you even export to the USA.
Asa.
What is that?
That's
I
Asa.
don't know. What do you think that would be? Maybe. What's the one in the bottom then?
New Zealand.
That's it. That's New Zealand. Cool.
Please.
You can get mixed pack. Apparently it's $14 for a pack of 6. Where's that at? Yeah, that's Indonesia, Jakarta. Yeah, I think so. Close by to Jakarta. That's right. Huh? Yeah. All right, let's go to the next one. We'll see.
You need to do this customized thing.
Oh, there's an interactive. Should we do that one as well? Okay, we're gonna try that one a bit.
Stop.
Well, we got a 12 o'clock session. We'll do that on the way back. So we're doing testing at the moment. So a few different versions. So what do you think of the tour, the talk just now?
I like it all except the sarsaparilla and the
Sarsaparilla.
and where is it?
Which one?
This one.
That one?
Creaming soda. I don't like creaming
Cream
soda.
soda. But the rest of them is a good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Me and
Thumbs
Aiden,
up?
Me and Aiden are going to have everything and everything except the 2 items set.
Okay,
And
gotcha.
then we're also going to have one more of the
Of what?
Christmas thingies.
The last one.
Because it only sells on Christmas. Like it'll sell, and then once all it's finished, then you can only get it on Christmas time.
Gotcha. That one. Yeah? Ah, okay.
Time to look at history.
Alrighty, let's go. Oh, these are the souvenirs.
Bottle popper.
Oh, bottle stopper. So you can have that instead of a full bottle. So you can pop it up again.
That's good.
For
Yeah?
each.
That might be a good idea.
Yum.
Put it back in.
There's a keyring in here. There's a set of straws with a cleaner.
What the? I can't feel anything. And then
Let's
there's
go.
a
Let's go in.
time
There's
to
a
look
gift
at
pack in here.
history.
Mini can gift pack.
A show bag.
And a show bag.
Here.
All right, so we're gonna go inside and let's have a look what's inside.
Okay, let's start
1960s, huh? 1960s started up.
at. Okay, I'll read 1960.
It's gonna take too long. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna go inside. Now push.
Look at that nice. Oh my God, this is bigger than. This is
We
cool.
are inside the factory. Whoops.
Move. Boop, boop, boop.
How cool is that?
What's this thingy? Sinister Wi-Fi food.
All right.
Oh, that's yummy.
You can smell them.
So you
So
Smell
figure out
it?
which one is it. Which one are you smelling?
lemonade, I think.
Huh? Lemonade?
Lemonade.
Let me try it. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah,
The
that's
hero
lemonade.
flavor.
Press the button. And what flavor?
Oh, this is the cinnamon one, I think.
Cinnamon? Nice. Good job. Try this one.
Yeah. Try the last one, Abby. Try it.
Try the last one. What is it?
The sweet smell.
The sweet smell.
The S one?
Sarsaparilla.
Oh, coconut.
Okay. Let's go next stage.
Hey, I haven't seen those two.
Oh yeah?
That's ginger. Lemon.
What's that one, B? No idea?
Ginger.
Ginger.
Oh,
Okay.
I know that one.
Smellography. Smellography.
This one smells weird.
What do you think it is?
I have no idea. I'm bad at guessing.
Smelly shoes.
Mango.
Mango smell weird.
I like the coconut smell and
Yeah.
the cinnamon.
Oh, how cool is that? Check it out. This is the
How
step.
to produce the best flavors. Wait, can we try that scanning thing?
The what? The standing thing.
The scanning face thing.
The scanning case.
Face thing.
You can't go back out. Once you're in, that's it.
have
We'll
to
do
go
that
back.
later.
Okay.
We'll do that, okay?
Ooh,
So we're gonna
and
go experience the whole lot.
can I see?
So that's the inside, the interactive. Okay.
So you can sneak peek. Serious?
Wow. So is this actually a real one? Do you think they're just going to run around in a circle, or is it real? You think so?
Oh, maybe around the
Going
circle.
up?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're
it's
going to go up. No, it's going to go going up, isn't it?
Oh yeah, and it goes
Goes
behind.
up
And it goes.
and down.
Oh. Moving stuff.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That's the robot.
So I think that like boxes it thingy, but it's only going backwards. These aren't even real.
No, they're just a wallpaper.
Yeah. Press to exit.
Yeah, press the exit. And that's the face. Thank you.
Take photo.
Oh, there you go. Now go down a bit more. There you go.
Retake.
Okay, go on. No, just one, Aiden.
Yeah.
Oh, you want that
Just
one?
a family picture.
Oh, that's cool.
This is over here.
Yeah, that'll do. Try that first.
Go all the way back. Look over here. Make your personal
Or you can get your
below.
own.
What does that mean?
Okay. Rude. Make your professionalism below. Professional child.
L-I-A-N-T-O.
Once we've done that, let's do that later. Can we do that later?
Add to cart.
Okay. Oh, you can get one quantity, submit. Your order, take your order number to the counter. 5934. Alrighty. Cool.
Where's the thing?
Alright.
5934.
5934.
Can we take it to the counter?
These are the different version that you guys are going to collect.
So, 2 of this. And then, you're gonna get, are we getting this? 1 of this. No, not Splash Fill. 1 of this. 1 of this. I'll get passion fruit. And give me the lemon.
Do you need help with
I
getting
get-
any of the top one?
I'm getting lemon.
No?
Lemon. Lemon.
Lemon? Is this one?
Yeah.
How many do you need?
Just one?
Just the one?
Yeah. And then no. Yeah, mango. So, Wait,
So
let's
yeah,
look.
that's it, guys. This is the ginger beer, as in Bundaberg Ginger Beer Factory. Let's
I
say,
got both of
or
these ones.
interactive location. Pretty cool place.
So hang on. No, hang on, let me put it down. I can put yours here. So we got every flavor except the ones I mentioned before. The
Which one?
sarsaparilla and the creaming soda.
Yeah.
We got 2 of the pineapple and coconut.
So the pineapple
two?
coconut. Yeah.
And then we also have 2 of the
This is the special edition
Yeah,
one.
special.
Spiced
spiced.
gingerbread.
Yeah.
Oh, yep.
So the flavors we chose are spiced gingerbread, lemonade, peach, lemon, lime, and bitters, passion fruit, tropical mango, 2 pineapple and coconut, and 2 of these, like I mentioned before. Pink grapefruit. Yeah, pink grapefruit. Blood orange, and guava. We got 3.
Cool. That's it.
Like, yeah, 3 pink things. They're hard to tell. But they have the label, so.
Okay, that's it.
They're heavy. They're heavy.
They're really heavy. All right, that's it.
Okay. Bye-bye.